Alright, so this is a follow-up video to my leaf blower review. So I picked up the 540 CFM 24 volt leaf blower, and I am so happy with this. And it had so much power, more than enough for my needs. Like, this is the one I'm going to keep. This is the one that fits my needs, uses the batteries that all my other Kobalt tools do. But this was so impressive that I had to know. I had to know. I had to know, like, the 540 was so impressive, 540 CFM. I had to know what Kobalt's bad boy, its 800 CFM model was like. I just had to try it out. I want to compare it to that one. And then they just came out with this. This is their this is the handheld blower, 270, so exactly half of this. So this is half of that. This is not double that, but still, this is their Kobalt's most powerful handheld leaf blower they've ever put out. They have a backpack that's only 850 CFM. So this is a big boy, and it uses that big old 80 amp battery, 80 volt battery. So I don't have any tools that work with that. So this is probably going to go back. I just bought it for the review, and I actually bought this for the review too, but I think I might keep this. It depends. I got to play with it. We're going to test them, but I think I can think of a use for this one, like this one, because this would be kind of rough to clean the inside of your car, even if you took even if you took this off. See, that's a lot to be cleaning out the inside of your car. So I think this might be good because I live in the desert, so we're always blowing dust and crap like that out of our cars. This might be useful. I don't know, I got to play with it first. This one's either going to go back or I'm going to sell it eventually, but I had to try it. I had to know what the difference was. And this isn't the old, this is actually an inflator. I've had this for a long time. This is the original model. I got it for going camping and going to the beach and stuff. It inflates your toys. But see, if you take this off, if you just use it like that, the air kind of spreads out. It's not really a blower. The air spreads out way too quick. But if you put that little nozzle on there, this keeps it concentrated. You could actually use this. This is actually a practical blower for dust. Like, you could use this on a computer or your workbench or something like that. This actually does have a lot of, this actually has some power. So we're going to compare this to like this. I think this is like 25 CFM. It's not very much, but it does. I mean, you can like blow stuff. Anyway, you get the point. It's not that powerful. But it has enough. We're gonna compare it anyway. So that's my original. So we're gonna have all four. We're gonna have the little teeny tiny, this is probably pretty powerful. This is half of this, and then we're gonna have the big boy, the 800 CFM. I wish I had a reason to keep it. That's really a shame, because it looks really awesome, and it's probably going to be really amazing. And then I picked this up too. These, if you're looking for batteries right now, Kobalt is trying to phase in these new USB-C batteries. So they're kind of like liquidating all of their old style batteries. So this is a 2-pack. I got that for $100. That's pretty, two 24 volt 4 amp batteries and a charger for $100. So if you're looking for these old style batteries, which I prefer, I don't really care about the USB-C, because I've already got one, came with this, and I've had an old one, a 4 amp that I've been using for everything. So now that's 2, so now I have 4 batteries. That's probably all I'll ever need. And then I'm gonna have one of the 8. Anyway, I'm too much talking. Let's open this thing up. I gotta be careful because I am almost certainly not gonna keep this. But I had to try it. I'll probably speed this. Ooh. That's, you know what? That feels rubber. It is rubberized. It's rubberized on the outside. That's pretty cool. So this is not. Yeah, so you can use that for drying stuff. It's got plastic on the inside, but you can see it's got a little lip. This is all rubber. That's pretty cool. We need to make more room here. Get out of the way, Jack. Big old 80 amp charger, or 80 volt charger. And there it is, there's the big 80 volt battery. This is the 4 amp hour battery, so this is the big one. Again, I should be gentler unpacking all of this, since I almost certainly can't keep it, or don't have a reason to keep it. Look at that thing. I'm gonna put it over here so we can start charging it. Let's see. Well, first let's see what the battery is at. It's totally dead. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's charging. Maybe should have done that afterwards so we couldn't hear it, but that's all right. And there's the leaf adapter, or whatever they call it. I probably won't even use that for the test. I just want the maximum power. There it is. This thing is nice looking. Put this over here. You know what? It's not that big. I thought this is compared to the 24 volt. I mean, really, it's almost the same size. That's amazing. But this is so much more powerful. Man, that looks cool. I might just keep it. I don't know. There's the turbo and there's the cruise control. Let's see if it. Oh, there it works like this. Oh, I see, yeah. Yeah, so as you turn it, the trigger goes down, and then there's the turbo. That is really well built. And it's not, I can't believe how short it is. You know, without the tip, I think it would fit on the shelf in my, over there where I keep this. Oh, I wonder if the tip fits on this. Let's find out. I don't think so. No, it doesn't. Come on. Oh, there we go. And you can see the CFM right there. It's got brighter graphics there too. This is dimmer. 800 CFM, 200 mile per hour versus 540 and 120. All right, so let's open this one. This one I can test right away. I have batteries for this. This one I'm almost certainly going to keep. Keep all this packing material just in case. Now this one's supposed to be rubberized as well. It's the same thing. It's rubber on the outside, but plastic on the inside. So this is like a little version of the 800 CFM, but it does have a rubber protector on the outside. And there it is. All right. And then inside here is another one of those adapters and some extension. Whoa, almost dropped it because it's so light. Some extension hoses on that one has the CFM written on it. I want that one out of there so I can compare it. Get all this out of the way. Okay, this is very, very lightly built. Yeah, nope, it's upside down. Yeah, so now we can have all the, and let's put the tip on. I do not plan on running the tube, I just wanted it because of the CFM number. And then we have this one. This one doesn't even say what the CFM is, but I read it's like 25 CFM, something like that. All right, so let's get this one. Let's put it in the configuration that I'll actually be using it, because I don't think I'll ever use, yeah, that's the way I'm going to use it. It's, you know what this reminds me of, because it's so lightly built. If you take the battery off that, it's like these are made from high impact, like a better quality plastic. This feels like it's made from the same stuff as this, which is like a toy grade plastic. I guess it's probably stronger than that. It feels, I don't know, I expected it to be a little heavier, but let's see what this is. Oh yeah, you can really feel the power on that. Here, let's blow the spiders all over the place. And there's some ammo too. Oh, it's blowing my movie posters everywhere. I'm not going to blow my alien. Yeah, that definitely feels like, let me get the other battery, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna knock stuff over. I'm making a mess. Anyway, this is not the official test. This is just me playing with it. That feels really powerful, actually. I feel like up close, this one's pushing harder than that one, but this one's clearly moving more air. And I don't have the battery for that one yet. Anyway, that's the unboxing. I've made a mess and I need to clean up, and this weekend we're gonna test these outside. I can't wait to try this one. That's so nice looking. I don't know if I'll have the courage to give it up. I might want to keep it. Damn, it looks well made. It looks like they put a lot of effort into it. When you're holding it in your hand, it feels very solid. Not all of these do, except, I mean, this one feels a little, doesn't feel flimsy. It feels lighter than I thought it was going to feel. It feels like this one. This one feels like it's nothing to it. This one feels really good. Also, it feels very well made. This is the one I'm keeping for sure. This is the one that does the job I need it to do. Almost certainly going to keep this because it's just so damn powerful. Whoa, knock stuff off the wall. I'll find a use for it. I'm keeping that, of course. This one, we'll see. You know what? I can't stand it. It's got one bar. Let's give this one a try. Is it in? No, it's not. Ah, now it is in. Oh, it's got some weight to it. All right, I apologize to my house. Let's see what happens. Wow. That feels. Yeah, I wonder if it's just that nozzle that makes it so powerful. All right, we'll play with it this weekend.